Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you a glitch that I found in the appointment system of Hostinger website builder and how to fix it. Today, as I was recording another video explaining something about Hostinger booking system, I found that when I blocked, by the way, today is 18th of December. Let's say that I want to block the first 7 days of January. As you can see, January 2025 from 1 to 7, I'm unavailable. So click on save. Now let's see that live. Let's select January. As you can see, days from 1 to 4 and 7 are available for booking. To fix this issue, it's simple. First, this is due to different time zones between the appointments calendar and the country that I've selected for this store. As you can see, I use the Casablanca time zone, which is GMT or GMT plus 1. And if we go to the company information, I use the United States as the country for this store. So this difference of time zones is what causes this issue in my calendar. To fix that, before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorials. That simply go back to your appointments page from your store manager. Then next to time zone, click on change. First, delete the current time zone and select a time zone that is within the United States, or select a time zone that is within your store selected country. Let's go with New York. Click on save. First, let's verify that on January 2025, starting from 1 to 7, these days are all blocked. Now let's update this page. Click on book now, go to January. Now all days starting from 1 to 7 are unavailable or marked off in my calendar. This is the issue and this is how to fix it. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.